Hello everyone, just a quick announcement. I have just added a brand new section to my SwiftUI course. This section is going to show you how you can create a basic application that will run on iOS application, watchOS, as well as macOS. Let's go ahead and look at a small demo. You can see that this is now running on iOS. It's a master detail view where you can go from one screen to other. Now let's go ahead and see it on the watchOS. The same application is now running on watchOS with a master and a detail view. You can click and select on an animal and you can see the details. Great. And now let's go ahead and finally check out the same application running on macOS, where it is using a split view controller, and you can see that it is the left-hand side versus the right-hand side. This is it. So if you want to learn how to create this application and you want to learn about SwiftUI, then check out my course, which is called SwiftUI Declarative Interfaces for any Apple device. This is the best-selling course available on Udemy. You can see there are close to 1,300 students enrolled, and this is 11+ hour course. You're going to start learning about building list and navigation, then you're going to dive into state and binding and MVVM design pattern. You're also going to implement a complete coffee ordering application using SwiftUI. Later on, you're going to dive into the core data integration with SwiftUI and also Core ML. I'm also very active in answering questions. If you have any questions regarding SwiftUI or suggestions, I will be more than willing to help you out. Now, the best way to get this course is there's a link in the description. Simply click on the description, click on the link, and it will take you and apply a coupon. That's the best way for you to get this course for the best price. And I really appreciate that if you use the coupons that I'm giving you, because if you use the coupons, I get to get a much higher slice of the revenue and you get the best deal possible. So if you are interested in learning about SwiftUI, the future of iOS development, then check out my course. Check out the links in the description of this YouTube video. Thank you so much, and I really hope that you enjoy the course.